Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to use TikTok AR filters. The process of using these filters is really simple and easy. All you have to do is open your application. After it opens, post a new thing on TikTok by tapping on this plus sign, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. You can use these AR filters on your picture as well as on your videos, but on picture, the filters will not work perfectly. So that's why I will swipe this to the right side for recording a video. We are in the video recording section. Before recording your video, you have to tap on this option effect, which is on the bottom left. And here you will see some types of effects, trending, create. Swipe it to the left side. And on the last of these types, you can see the option AR. Simply tap on it. So here are all the filters of AR. Select the filter which you like the most. Just for example, I will select this one. So as you can see, the AR filter is working perfectly on my video. So it was the basic way by which you can use AR filter of TikTok.